Hi, boys and girls. Another tool you're going to learn today is something called boom cards, and that's what this blue icon means. So today you need to sign in to Boom right here, and you need to complete rhyming word work assignment on Boom. So we're looking for the rhyming word work assignment on Boom. So I'm going to click on Boom Cards. Uh-oh, it's not working because I didn't hit my magical button. Let me hit my magical button. Oh, there we go. Now I can just click right on it. So I'm going to click on it and it's going to take me right to Boom. So I'm going to sign in right here. Sign in with Boom. And your teacher gave you your password cards. It was on your password sheet, so I'm going to use one of my friends from my class. And I'm going to type in my password. Oh, it's my friend Leo's. And it says that the teacher is Michael Hauk. That is Mr. Hauk, but you're still in our class. This is still Miss Lydell's class. And you'll see what decks have been assigned to you. So this one is called Rhyming Word Work. Hey, that's exactly what was on our activity list, remember? Rhyming word work. So I need to do the rhyming word work assignment. Do you think I need to do read, think, match, spring? It doesn't say to do that on my activity list, so I'm not going to do that one today. I'm going to leave it until it's on my activity list. But rhyming was definitely there. So I'm going to read the word, or you can click here.
Dragon.
Dragon. Drag a check mark over the object that rhymes with the word pictured at the top of the card. So dragon. What word rhymes with dragon? Dragon bed? No. Dragon pan? No. Dragon wagon? Did you say yes? Let's see. I'm going to click on my mouse and drag my check mark over and let it go. And I'm going to submit. Let's see if I got it right. You have to hit the submit button and then boom, we'll tell you if you're right. Are you ready? Yes, I got it. I'm going to do the same with this one. Truck. Truck? I don't know if I got it right. I'm going to hit this button and just see.
Truck.
Nailed it. Truck hat. Truck pad. Truck duck. Did you say yes? Okay, I'm going to use this check mark. Right here, I'm going to drag it and drop it. And I'm going to submit. Yes, I got it right. And so I'm going to do that until it says, you did it, congratulations. And then I'm going to go ahead and leave. Leo, when you do this tomorrow, you might already have some done. I'm going to click out of this. And I'm going to go back to my activity list and go to bookshelf to read.